Welcome to our journey of learning not just English, but life itself. Because today we are exploring something silent yet incredibly powerful, something that shapes your future every single second without making a sound: time. You cannot see it, you cannot hear it, and you cannot stop it. Yet it is always moving forward, carrying your life with it whether you are ready or not. Many people ignore this truth, but here it is, simple and honest. The bad news is that time flies, but the good news is that you are the pilot, which means you cannot control the speed of time, but you can absolutely control how you use it. Every day, you are given 24 hours, no more, no less, just like every successful or unsuccessful person in the world. And the difference between them is not talent, luck, or background, but how they choose to use those hours. Think about your own life for a moment and be honest with yourself. How many times have you said, I will start tomorrow, or I will do it later, or I still have time, only to watch days turn into weeks and weeks turn into months while nothing really changes? It is not because you are incapable or not good enough. It is because your time was not used intentionally. Some people invest their time wisely, they learn, grow, and move forward step by step, while others lose their time in distractions, delays, and unimportant activities, staying stuck in the same place. But today can be different for you because you can begin to see your time in a new way, not as something to pass, but as something to build with. It starts with a simple but powerful decision to take control of your day instead of letting your day control you. One of the strongest ways to do this is by waking up early, not as a punishment, but as a choice that says you are ready to lead your life. When you wake up late, your day begins with pressure, confusion, and reaction. You check your phone, rush through tasks, and feel like you are already behind. But when you wake up early, you give yourself a gift that most people never experience: quiet time, uninterrupted time where your mind is fresh and your thoughts are clear, time where you can think, plan, and prepare yourself before the world starts demanding your attention. This early start creates control, and control creates confidence, because instead of reacting to life, you begin leading it. Of course, it is not easy at first. Your body resists, your mind makes excuses, but discipline, not comfort, is what moves your life forward. And even starting with 20 or 30 minutes earlier can begin that transformation. Along with this, planning your day the night before becomes your secret weapon, because when you wake up without a plan, your mind wastes energy trying to decide what to do, leading to confusion, distraction, and low productivity. But when you decide your priorities the night before, you wake up with clarity and direction, ready to act instead of think. You do not need a perfect or complicated plan, just a few important tasks that truly matter, because trying to do everything often leads to doing nothing well. Writing your tasks down makes them real and gives your brain clear instructions. And even while you sleep, your mind begins preparing for the next day. This clarity removes decision fatigue and allows you to focus your energy where it matters most. A simple to do list can change everything because your brain is designed to think, not to remember everything. And when you try to keep all tasks in your head, it creates stress and confusion. But when you write them down, your mind feels lighter and your path becomes clear. However, the key is not to overload your list. Keep it simple, focused, and realistic. Because progress comes from completing important tasks, not from creating long lists. As you move through your day, remember one powerful rule: focus on one task at a time. Multitasking may seem productive, but it actually destroys your focus, because every time you switch tasks, your brain loses energy and clarity, making even simple work feel difficult. When you give your full attention to one task, your work becomes faster, better, and more satisfying. And finishing tasks brings a sense of relief and motivation that unfinished work never can. Along with focus, setting clear and specific goals is essential because vague goals like I want to improve or I want to succeed do not guide your actions, but clear goals like I will practice for 20 minutes or I will complete this task today. Give your mind direction and make it easier to start. Clarity removes confusion, and when confusion disappears, procrastination often disappears with it. Another powerful shift is learning to use small blocks of time effectively because many people wait for the perfect moment or a large amount of time to begin something important, but that moment rarely comes, and valuable time is wasted in waiting. Instead, using small blocks of 10, 15, or 20 minutes consistently can create real progress over time because success is built in small actions repeated daily, not in rare moments of perfection. At the same time, you must protect your focus by avoiding distractions because distractions are one of the biggest hidden enemies of productivity. A quick check of your phone can turn into an hour of lost time, and every interruption breaks your mental flow, making it harder to return to deep work. By removing distractions, creating a clean workspace, and setting clear focus periods, you protect your attention, which is one of your most valuable resources. But while focus is important, so is rest, because working without breaks leads to exhaustion and poor performance. While short, intentional breaks help your mind recover and stay sharp. A good break is simple standing, stretching, breathing, or walking without falling into distractions that steal more time. As you go through your day, it is also important to become aware of how much time is spent on unnecessary activities. Because not everything deserves your time, and many habits like endless scrolling or overthinking quietly steal hours from your life without giving anything back. By asking yourself simple questions like, is this helping me or wasting my time? You begin to make better choices and create space for meaningful activities. In addition, learning to delegate tasks when possible allows you to focus on what truly matters, because trying to do everything yourself leads to burnout and inefficiency, while sharing responsibilities creates more time and mental clarity. Another powerful habit is tracking your time, because you cannot improve what you do not measure, and when you begin to observe how you spend your hours, you gain awareness of patterns, distractions, and opportunities for improvement. Even a simple record of your daily activities can reveal surprising truths and help you make better decisions. Finally, reflection at the end of each day completes the cycle of growth because when you take a few minutes to ask yourself what you did well, what you wasted time on, and what you can improve, you begin to learn from your experiences instead of repeating the same mistakes. Reflection is not about judging yourself, but about understanding yourself. And small daily improvements lead to powerful long term change. When you combine all these habits, waking early, planning ahead, focusing deeply, using time wisely, avoiding distractions, taking breaks, reducing waste, delegating tasks, tracking your actions, and reflecting daily, you begin to take true control of your life. You start to see that your life is not made of years, but of days, and your days are made of hours, and your hours are shaped by small decisions. Every moment becomes an opportunity to invest in your future, and while you cannot change the past or control the future completely, you can always control what you do right now. Most people fail not because they lack ability, but because they lose time, waiting for perfect conditions or giving attention to things that do not matter. But you can choose a different path, a path of awareness, intention, and action. You do not need to change everything in one day or become perfect overnight. You just need to start small, stay consistent, and improve a little every day. Because success is not one big action, but many small actions repeated with purpose. In the end, the truth remains simple and powerful. You are in control, not your habits, not your distractions, not your excuses, but you. And when you take control of your time, you take control of your life, shaping your future one decision at a time.